Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu using the bootable media. For this you need a minimum 4 GB of pen drive, Ubuntu ISO and the Rufus tool, media creation tool, which you can download from the link which are in the description below. Now after doing all these steps, first of all you need to open the Rufus tool. Now after opening the Rufus tool, open the ISO image where you have downloaded. As I have downloaded in my directory, so I'm going into it. Now select the image and now you are easy to go. Start formatting and it will start formatting the steps and start creating the bootable device. Make sure that your pen drive is completely empty. The pen drive will be formatted completely. All the data in the pen drive will be deleted. It will take some time to completely format your drive. Now you are done. After formatting your drive, restart your system. Select the F12, press the F12 key on your keyboard and select the bootable device. Now after then you will see the screen. Now you will see the options. Install the third-party software for accessing graphic card and Wi-Fi. Then you will see different options of set of menus. I'm using the erase disk because I'm installing completely on the hard disk. You can select the partition tool too for creating a new partition and installing it, which come in the something else option. After selecting that, you will select the time zone. And the language of your keyboard. Now you need to fill up the details like the name, password. You must create the password. Without password it won't work out. Now you will see the installation process is going on. It will take some time to install the complete operating system on your hard disk. Wait for the completion of process. After the completing the process, restart your system. Time boot, it will take some time. Then it will show you the command keys which are useful. And then you are completely done. Now you have successfully installed the Ubuntu on your hard disk. Now I have done on my hard disk, so I will see all the files. I didn't created the partition, otherwise I will see the partition too. Now you can access the internet connection. As you have the Wi-Fi card, it will directly install all these settings. On the first time it will take some time to load all these system settings. After that it will be fast to access all the things. Now I have checked my internet connection, it's working properly. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. I'll try to resolve it. And pretty much that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Hope you like this video. Press the thumbs up icon if you love that video.